Hello. So it looks like X is not letting me stream. So if you're watching this, it's because you're on Twitch or YouTube. X is not streaming for some reason. But anyway, most of you are watching me on YouTube anyway, I think. Though we'll see, because X just counts total number of hits, and so I end up with like hundreds or even thousands of people on my stream, thousands of viewers. But that's just because like somebody opened up the stream and then most of them just closed it. So we're not going to get as many viewers today as I typically get. But anyway, just continuing from where I left off, I need to ask my wife to do something here in like 20 minutes, so or 10 minutes. So make sure that you remind me. You probably won't, but I will try to remember to do that. And then, yeah, I've got like probably an hour before I need to go. So with all of that said, let's get into things. I want to build the recipients page out so that it looks good and not like this. So yeah, that's that. Yep, we're all good there, recipients. Okay, so let's close. Just close all the things. Recipients. Do that. And then come over here. Just gonna make it big. Huh. The go live thing just popped up. I don't know why. Let me just make sure that my stream is happening. Oh no. Good grief. Alright, let's see Twitch. Okay. Twitch is working, but YouTube's not. So most people who watch me on YouTube. So give me just 1 second. I might restart this stream. I just want to check. Where's YouTube Studio? So I found out that the reason my comments aren't working. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we are. We're going live. We've got 3 things that are saying they're upcoming, which is silly. Delete those. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Yeah. So I found out why. Oh, Ollie is on YouTube. Hooray! Great. So that's working. I found out the reason. Sorry, wrong button. Here we go. Found out the reason that the YouTube comments aren't working for me, and it's because my network, my router, I think, it enables restricted mode on YouTube. Actually, maybe it's my ISP. Let me ask. I'm gonna just send a quick message to my ISP. Wait. Shoot, what is my ISP called again? There it is, yeah. Yeah, so if I go here to this YouTube video, check this out. I go, restricted mode is on, network administrator, yada, yada, yada. So, hello. For some reason, YouTube thinks so if I go here, let me close this now. My network enables YouTube restricted mode. Do you know how whether you all are doing that, or okay, man, this thing popped up again. Goodness. Okay, we'll see. I also sent the same question to the forum for my router. My router's pretty fancy, but yeah, I don't know. I don't like tried turning off all the filters, didn't do anything. I don't know what to do. Okay, anyway, we're gonna screen grab this guy. We're gonna say, without changing too much, please implement this design. See if I can also get, oh, baby's making noise. Did not expect that so early. Oops. Man, it's not letting me paste more than one. So I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Let's also grab mobile. Where's my recipients? Yeah, here we go. And we'll add implement something similar to this design. Let's bring our theme in here and our index CSS so that it takes that into account. Yeah. Fonts, I don't think I need to bring in fonts. All right, send that along, see what happens. Searched a whole bunch of things. Neat. Even the Docker file. Sure, that was helpful. Huh, that's interesting. What the heck is all this? It's because there are no instructions. I probably never noticed that this was a thing. Okay, so we're gonna need yeah, sure. Accept all that stuff. We will see what it looks like here. Okay, neat. Cool. Add new recipient. Button does nothing. This should probably be a link button. All right. Don't capitalize this with CSS, not hard-coded. It drives me bonkers when you capitalize it hard-coded like that. It's not good for screen readers, really bad for copy-paste. There is, like, CSS is like the way that you do that. So yeah. This table is off, does not look right at all. Presumably this was done. No, it's not even for a fixed header. I don't know why they did it this way. But let's see. Just trying to decide if how I want to do this. There's gotta be like, there's an accessible way to do tables, right? Let's see what TanStack table says. We're not gonna use TanStack table because it's really small. This is a small table. We're not gonna do anything crazy, but it's headless, and so the examples will probably be quite helpful in how to structure it. Yeah, so just use a regular table. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just use a regular table. Tables are not bad. There's some limitations, but like CSS has come a long way and things are better now. Just gonna check on one thing. Yep, okay. Great. There we go. Beautiful. That's much better. So let's see what else. Okay, so the table is just kind of small. Let's, where's the, oh, I didn't take it with my, here we go. Let's make this look nicer on mobile. Because we should be looking at the mobile view right now. Okay. Huh. Table view hidden on mobile. Card view. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it is a pretty different design. Yeah. Honestly, I actually don't hate that. I think that actually makes a lot of sense. Now that's looking a lot better. Let's add a little more space in the column. Yep, columns of the table. It's kind of funny that that doesn't circle up. The difference in the background alt is actually not that significant. We don't need to label that recipient name. Name is sufficient. Yeah, okay, except file, thank you. I'm just looking at the messages thing. I think we can maybe give 5% over to this guy. And yeah, that'll look fine. Honestly, I don't think that this one needs quite that much. I think we might be a little bit too, much space. Let's go with 4. Yep, okay, good. Yeah, that's like plenty of space. Plenty of space. I think even 3 or 2 would be sufficient. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's lots of space. Okay, cool. All right, let's clean up. I see. Do I care that much? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I need to have a add a circular variant on the button. Or variant on the button called icon. And it'll know probably what I'm trying to do here. I love how when I'm like relaxing, I look so short in this video frame. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe I just sit up straight like a normal human. Okay. So we actually don't want the stroke to be the current color, do we? Hold on, we do. Yeah, so hold on, then what is the current color? That's a handsome man. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. um, hmm. Color foreground. Yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, button text. There it is. There we go. Okay, and then add new recipient. Let's just do there we go. Now, why are you not colored properly? Huh. Where's our background? Yeah, this looks funny too. Oh, geez. I feel like I'm getting too far into something that I ought not to. Okay, let's talk about this. The icon variant should not be an alternative to primary and secondary. It should be a separate category and a separate prop. Yeah, there we go. That is correct. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that is better. Did we make these I didn't even notice, but it inlined those SVGs. That's cool. Okay, let's see here. So that add recipient thing. There we go. I actually really like the colors there. That worked out nicely. Okay, neat. I love that we have the icons. They're just inlined SVGs. That's cool. Now, I have a way that I do SVGs in the Epic stack, and that's the way they should be done. But yeah, I kind of like that. It looks cool. All right, cool, good stuff. I wonder whose hard work that robot stole from. It's kind of sad to think about, if we're being honest. Yep, I think that looks nice. Okay, on to the next. Now we have the recipient page. We do have the manage thing, but we'll get to that eventually. That's not going to be a feature here. Yep, okay. And let's go to mobile. Okay, and light mode design. Okay. Ibrahim noticed a big discount on Full Stack Web Course. Yeah, we had a really big discount. We don't have any plans for discounts anytime soon, but the biggest discount you can possibly get is still the Epic Mega Bundle, and it's a huge discount, but it is like everything, so it's a lot. Mega Bundle right here. So this will give you everything that we currently have available. Here, for me, it's showing 90% discount because I have access to everything except for one thing. It's like a don't worry, I'm a separate case. But yeah, 65% discount on everything. If you own pieces of different things, then it will be, prorated, so your discount could be even bigger. And yeah, it's huge. It's so much stuff. So you could take a look at that if you want to, and it would be great. Okay. Recipient here now. Let's do oh, whoops, I took a screenshot of the dialogue. I don't want it to get distracted by the dialogue thing, so we'll just do that. All right, see if we can get it to. I think it missed these. Great, now let's work on the recipient page. Could you please implement these designs? Okay. All right, let's see here. Generating, yada, yada, yada. Come over here. Don't just give me other recipients, you joker. But I guess here, we'll accept the file. We'll fix the problems. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, our colors look kind of funny, but okay. All right. What does it look like? I like the green there. That looks kind of cool. All right. Let's make an icons component file that holds all the SVGs for our icons and move those over there. Kind of curious what this. right, and then recipients. Let's use the icons in the recipients file as well. Okay, great. So go back to all recipients. Let's use icons in the desktop view of recipients for headers. Should I really do that? No, I should not. Okay. Flesh out the rest of the recipients, please. Right here should be a 404. We can't do that in a spa. Hunar is asking if I'm still going. Yeah, I took a break. I had lunch and stuff, but I mean, coder's got a code, man. I got stuff to do. Yeah, have you noticed the lint errors yet? Made a little mistake with the strings there, partner. Come on. I should have just accepted it and fixed it myself. Okay. All right, cool. So now I want this to be scrollable. I don't want the whole screen to be scrollable. I think that is that way because this min height screen. There we go. That's what I like that. And then if this is too short, then all this scrolls, but we want the messages container to scroll. So now, no, dang it. This is the part where I'm like, this shouldn't be hard. I want to fix these dots. This is super annoying. Dots vertical icon, variant secondary. I think our secondary variant is wrong. This should be like tertiary. Spell, how do I spell? There's no spell command here? Come on. Define word. Tertiary. Yes. Can I copy that? Copy word. There we go. That's what I want. I had this whole workflow with Alfred. Okay, so we're gonna have tertiary, and then that's what that is. And then we're gonna go to a theme CSS, and for our secondary button, actually I think we won't have. Add a secondary button variant, which looks like this. Where's my secondary buttons? Well, okay, which just has a border and has a transparent background. So this is also, it's not a secondary button. This is just a separate thing altogether. Okay. So now, coming over here, we go to our dot icon, dots vertical, there we go. And this, I think I'm looking at the wrong spot. Where are the other dots? Oh, I'm on the recipients page. All right. And mobile view. Yep. Is that what it looks like in here? Where are my recipients? Where are ya? Where are ya? There you are. Oh, right. We're looking at mobile view. Oh, it's a pencil thing. Okay. But it is a secondary button, so we're going to leave it at that. Okay, good. Now let's go over to recipient. This should be secondary, or really it should be, there's like a third version, which is no border. There's like an established set of things for this. Let's see. Tailwind UI. What do they call these? Yeah, so that's their secondary. Soft. Leading and trailing icons. Circular. This is really cool. Not quite what I was looking for though. MUI, they've got to have this. I want to know the vernacular. I forget what they call these. Components, button, here we go. Outlined. color, huh? It's interesting. Yeah, okay, so spoke too soon on the tertiary thing, which makes me feel better. Secondary. And then we're gonna have this be outlined. That makes me, yeah, that's so much better. Okay, and I guess borderless. See, their default button is borderless, which I think is kind of funny. So we'll say borderless. Boom, now we're talking. And we go to recipients here. Borderless on that also. Then we come back here. Yep, looks much better, I think. Cool. We can even teach view transitions right here. Click on this and their name moves up there. Ghost, yes. Yeah, let's see, ghost buttons. I have heard it called ghost button, but now I'm looking at this and I'm like, borderless makes more sense. Like, it just sounds more correct. So we're gonna stick with borderless, but thank you for mentioning that. Kind of feel like this should be muted. Let's go to our theme. Please make a text muted color. Wait, isn't that, we have that. We have the foreground alt. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Forget the muted thing. Maybe we should rename it to muted, but sent. I'm in the wrong spot. Sent on class name. Yes, you read my mind. That does not look awesome on that green background. I'm not a fan of that green. We're gonna fix that green right now. And the way we're gonna fix it is by looking at what this color is. And then we're gonna go to hex to that thing. And we're gonna go to our theme. We're gonna go to success. I'm gonna call this 59. We're gonna call this 0.12. And we'll call this what it is. That's fine. All right, coming back here. I do not think that that changed anything. So that's kind of interesting. I thought that this was doing the background thing. Success, background. Yeah, this guy. Huh. Maybe we need to restart the server again. There we go. That is good. The text here is bad. That's bad. Are we white? Yeah, we're white. For both of these, scheduled should be info. And our foreground, okay, yeah, so that color is bad. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna change that theme. How about we go 90. Maybe a little bit less. No, that's not nearly contrasty enough. What happens? I'm just gonna kind of change this and see what it does. All right, let's do 8. Yikes. Boy, I kind of thought it would be... Oh. There we go. What does this do? I didn't even notice. Huh. Yeah, I cannot tell a difference whatsoever. Huh. Yeah, because it's not changing. What the heck is happening with our HMR stuff? This is really annoying. Okay, this is really throwing me off. We gotta fix that. Let's just cheat. Boy, I hate that so much. Okay, we're gonna make this just white. And again, with the HMR not working, what the heck is going on? Yeah, it looks way better. And what is, yeah, so this is white and opacity, yeah, 80%. I guessed correctly. That's nice. And then these guys are that. Okay, so let's do that here for dark mode also. And for info, yeah, we'll see what we want to do with those, but yeah, these we want to be white also. Okay, so then we come back over here and we say if it, yeah, we want our info. Info background. Okay, that color also wrong. This is what I get for just saying, yeah, sure, we'll just make you, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, copy that. And then info background in light mode. We're gonna just go 4 here. We just don't need to be quite so precise, I think. Okay, and then in dark mode, is that the same as what I had before? Yeah, that's the same, no change. Okay, so are these all the same? No, okay, so those are different. We'll look at those later, maybe. Okay, and restart again because I don't know why, but there we go. That looks way better. And then our dot vertical, this needs to be white. Class name. Okay, but this is going to depend on the status. That's interesting. Here it checks for scheduled and the other one checks for sent. We're gonna do sent. Ah, there we go. Okay. It technically is both white, but if we ever want to change it, want to be prepared for that. Okay, good. This is not very mobile friendly. Let's see if we can get it to be mobile friendly. I thought that I already told it to make it mobile friendly, but we've got a big mountain of dirt across just outside my window at the lot next to us. And my kids, now that it's starting to warm up, my kids are running around all over it, and it's so fun. I love being able to see them playing. Yeah, these kids are the best. Okay, here we are. We're almost there. Once we have this done, then I should be able to start doing more interesting exercises and whatnot, and start breaking things down. All right, let's see what that did. Hey, cool. I like that stays at the bottom. Oh, yep, I guess. I think I would like that to do, I think, what this is having to do. Yeah. I think you are so great. Thank you for being awesome. I love you. That's probably fine. Okay, cool. I want this area to scroll though, not the whole, like the heading should not scroll out of view. So let's see if I can just do that myself. I don't want all these things to be labeled like this. Okay. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the messages, the map over the messages. Map, here it is. Oh, I had overflow Y scroll somewhere. Yeah, I got rid of it. Okay, good. Yeah, how do I do this? How do I do this? Yeah, we don't want that. we need this. I need this one to not, or to just fill this available space. Which means I think I need this to be flex, grow, maybe? Man, I can't remember how any of this stuff works. Okay, right now, the entire page scrolls. I only want the messages to scroll, and I want the header with the all recipients link and the recipient name to stay at the top, and the footer with the type your message and add to queue button to stay at the bottom. Pretty sure it's going to get this wrong, and I don't know how to do this. Okay, well, looks like it wrapped it in a div or something. Oh, min height 0. That's always the worst. Okay, so that's sort of working. And honestly, this is kind of what I expected. It probably put a min height. Yeah, here it is right there. Get that off, and now it's going to scroll the whole thing. So then I say flex grow. No, dang it. This gets me every time. Okay. So here's the thing, is we need to take into account the header when factoring in how high this should be. So what I want is for this guy to not take any more space than is allowed or available on the screen. So if we change this to height is screen, not min height, how about making the mobile nav fixed? I'm not sure I understand what you're suggesting. I just want this part to scroll. I don't want the rest of it to scroll. don't know what I'm doing wrong. Why is this so hard? I don't even know how to, like, find out the right way to do this. I've done this so many times too. I have. I really should know this because I've done it so much. But I learn it or I get it working and then I move on because I don't want to do it anymore. I hate this. Yeah. The message main wrapper flex grow, another inner div with a min height of 100%. Okay. Let's give that a look. Messages. So this thing, flex grow, or maybe you're talking about this one. I think we've got like wrappers and wrappers and wrappers. So maybe we flex grow this guy as well. Flex grow that guy too? We'll just throw flex grow everywhere. The inner div overflow Y auto, min height 100% on this guy. Yeah, why do we have an overfly Y auto on that? That doesn't make any sense, right? It's the messages that need to scroll. Right? Min height 100%. It doesn't look like they want you to do that. Yeah, I don't know. This is gonna be the end of me. This is how I stop developing software, is this dumb thing. I have the same sort of challenge with this actually. The yeah, scrolls on all of this stuff is a big pain. Oh, earlier I was just saying I hadn't seen this drop below 20, but now it's at 8. That's too bad. We're all alone. This really wants to put overflow Y auto. That doesn't make any sense. Because this is the thing that's going to be scrolling. I'm actually confused why we even have these divs. One div should be enough, right? We at least did that. That looks misaligned. Yep. We need to... There we go. One of these things needs flex grow on it, I think. All right, height, 100 view heights. And then overflow, hidden. Sweet, now it doesn't scroll. Got it. Okay. Doesn't flex grow? Like, that's what says fill the space. Okay, please teach me flex grow. Okay, so that's not really what we want. Okay, I have an element that is bigger than the height of its parent, and I want it to fill in the remaining space and scroll if what's remaining is not enough for its own contents. Min height 0. Yeah, this is every single time. So which one gets the min height 0? I don't know. That one, maybe? We got flex grow on it. We got min height, overflow, auto. Okay, there we go. Maybe that's actually what I want. Otherwise, you just don't have a lot of space. Here, let's stick this in an actual phone, like iPhone SE. Yeah, if you have lots of messages, you'd scroll down forever to be able to add a new message, so we don't want to do it that way. So here's the question. If I Right, so refresh. We're gonna add min height 0. Okay, I'm gonna remove this, but for now, so I cannot scroll. So then we come over here, we say this is min height 0 and flex grow. Okay. I gotta go here pretty soon. Hold on a second. Okay, so I totally forgot how I got it working. Or at least partially working, where this would scroll. Dang it. Did I add overflow auto? Is that really what did it? Oh. Huh. Okay. Well. Okay, no, we don't want that. There we go. Okay, and then the question is, what if somebody is like, I really like you. Yeah, so we want that. Overflow X scroll. There we go. Okay, cool. Now let's start removing stuff so that I don't have stuff in here that I shouldn't. Okay, so we do need that. What if I do min yeah, okay. So I gotta set the height of the screen, and that's fine. And then if I do a min height of 0 on this guy and remove the flex grow. Okay, so those need to be there, or at least one of them does. Let's see, remove the flex grow. What does that do? Nothing. But if they didn't have any messages, yeah, that would not work. So we need this. Okay, you're getting in my way, this little box. Ooh, word break break all. That's a good idea. How do you do word break break all? Let's see what it says. What do you do? Okay, cool. Woo! Yeah, beautiful. Much better. Okay, anyway, we get rid of some of these. This guy's got to go down to the bottom, which I thought. Yeah, I think this needs flex grow. There we go. Okay, so that's my gap 4. Where are you? Okay, good. So we get rid of these. All right. I am very pleased with this. Okay, normally I would go through and review all this stuff, but I gotta go. Looking good. Okay, push that. I gotta go. Thanks everybody. See ya.